in foreign country, Zakir?
No, brother. I am living in Afghanistan.
Oh, that's good. Well, to be honest, the first thing is that our education in the system is not the quality system. So if you make a standard education system, so at the same time you are not only going to educate people, at the same time these people can make jobs, create jobs for themselves if you truly educate them. But the problem is that we are graduating people with a poor quality of education. So I think the root of problem starts from this.
Yeah, exactly.
Because the countries who let me tell you something practically. If a doctor complains that I don't have patients, I don't have the patient's market is not good. Yeah, customer. So if a doctor complains, it means the doctor don't know, because in this country we have got a lot of patients. They are going to neighboring countries, Iran, exactly. Pakistan, India. If an engineer complains, so for bigger projects, we ask engineers from other countries.
Yeah, like Dubai.
So then that is the thing, we are not graduating and we are not educating at quality.
Exactly, brother. But why you want to like that? If you know about that, our route is not perfect, not good in education, and then you also go to become a doctor.
Zakir, let me tell you something. The first thing is that I have studied my high school.
Hey.
Personally, those who have studied inside Afghanistan, like their high school, and the second thing, they are average, like they are not working hardly. So these people, we can say that their future is not bright. So I know these things, but I didn't have any way to get out of Afghanistan. Like you guys can remember the 2021, like the collapse of government. After that, we were not going to get any passport. So I can say that I used to get admission in a university because I wasted a lot of my time, 2 years.
Okay. Can you tell me someone in this time, Afghans people, they go to China for learning? That's good or not?
Yeah, it is good. China, they are going to learn a lot of things. China is a very developed country. So they are going to learn about culture, technology, and that's a good place. For education, I would say that if you go any country, so you're going to bring something positive for your country.
Yeah, you meet with new peoples, with new cultures, and with new ideas.
For sure.
That's not perfect if you want to go outside.
Just look at me. Like, I just studied my high school. High school is not something important. People do learn from high school, but what I learned in Pakistan was the system. So we are talking about that. So this is something positive that I have brought with myself.
Yeah, it's good. Hope, brother, to achieve your goal.
Yeah, same to you, Faisal. You just went silent.
Yeah,
how about you, brother? What are you doing?
No, I'm actually listening to your conversations. That was good. Let's welcome number 15, Sky.
Oh.
Hi, how are you? Other guys.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Thank you.
How was your day?
I'm good, thank you. I say I'm thank you. I am good, thank you.
Yeah, glad to hear.
Thank you. I am so glad to
you're in Afghanistan or outside of Afghanistan?
No, I am outside of Afghanistan.
Faisal, brother, can you tell me about yourself?
Outside of Afghanistan?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah,
So she's lucky.
inside of Afghanistan. Yeah, I'm in Kabul. Uncle, please come. She.
How about you?
She's.
You're from
Yeah, she is.
another country.
I think Faisal is busy with someone else.
Yeah. No, I was not. I'm just actually trying to invite the Conquer. She's a very great speaker of English. She's very fluent, so I'm trying to invite her, but I think she declined that. By the way,
The Conqueror, if she speaks a good English, so we are all waiting for her or him.
and I'm waiting for her.
Okay.
Not in the mood of speaking. Okay. As you wish.
I think the Conqueror is afraid that we are going to make her English worse. Is it the
Maybe
reason?
that's the reason. And maybe that's the reason.
Okay, she said that I'm not in a good mood of speaking. That's good. Okay, Faisal.
Faisal, can you tell me about yourself? You're a student or you have some job?
No, I'm a student. I don't have any job right now.
No. You're a student in school or?
Someone received a call. Actually, all of these guys.
Shahid,
Okay,
which province?
yeah, Zakir.
Faisal?
Sorry.
Yeah, Kabul, bro. I live in Kabul.
Oh, you Faisal live in Kabul, yeah?
What did you say, Zakir?
I say you live in Kabul?
Yeah, bro.
And Shahid, bro, you?
Yeah, the same. I do live in Kabul as well.
Okay, it's good.
What about you, Zakir? Are you in Kabul?
No, I'm in Logar.
That's good in Pule Alam.
Yeah, that's.
So, do you guys have the milk from dairy farm of General Mubin? Like he has made a big farm.
Yeah, he's our neighbor.
Oh, that's good. Is he free now?
What?
Is he free?
No, now he is in jail.
He's a good leader. Like we can pray for him. So how is the weather in Logar? Because Logar is just near to Paktia.
No one wants a good person. You know? He says something about Pakistan, but after that, they will gumming.
That's true. We got that. Okay, Zakir, how is the weather in Logar?
Bro, it's so cold.
Because you guys are closer to Paktia.
Yeah, you can say it is cooling.
Cooling, what?
No, the way that you say gumming.
Gooming, I think by the word gooming, he means that someone disappear.
Yeah.
The
You actually got that.
The general